I'm going to be recording this with a Ticonderoga No Air. This is the best type of Ticonderoga pencil you can buy. I also want to give a shout out for these guys because they have updates on their phone that notify them that Mr. Jurdy has made another video, Dean Kosofsky and Will Montez. Okay, here we go. Let's start here. We're going to reflect the image over the x-axis and then reflect the image over the y-axis. So two reflections. This is a double transformation. And we're going to write the coordinates when we're done. There's a lot of coordinates, but we'll get through this here. So starting, make sure I do this in the right order. It wants us to first reflect the image over the x-axis. So I'm going to highlight that a little bit so I know I'm going over this one here first so I don't make a mistake. So I'm going to pretend like I'm folding it and write them down here. If you're doing this at the same time as me, you might as well write it along as we go. So starting with A, it's 3 above. I'm going to go 3 below. There's my new A. J is 3 above, so 3 below. My new J. I is 4 above, so it's 4 below. I'm kind of connecting these as I go. H, 4 above, 4 below. And then G, 3 above, 3 below. F is 3 above, so 3 below. E is 6 above. I can see it across here. And so I'm going to go 6 down, straight down. Then to D, D's 6 above, so 6 below, straight down from there. Connect that from the E. There's my D. Then C is 8 above, so I'm going to go 8 below. And B, 8 above, 8 below. Connect those all together. There we go. There's our first reflection. I've underlined the first part, so I know I've completed it. I'm going to underline this next part. This is what I'm doing next. Then reflect over the y-axis. I'm going to draw a line here to make sure I know where I'm going over, just to remind myself. I'm going to reflect this new shape over the y, and it should land here in the third quadrant. So here we go. Taking our A, it's 2 away, so it's going to be 2 away on the other side, and here's A prime. J is 3 away. There's our J prime. I is 4 away, or 3 away. So I'll be 3 away on this side. I prime. H looks like it is 8. I'm going to go over to 8. And G is 1 up above that. F is 1 over from that. I'm just kind of using what I see from over there, so I don't have to count every time. Labeling my primes. And E is 3 down from F, so I'm just going to go over here and go 3 spaces down. E prime. And D is 2 spaces below I, so I'm going to go 2 spaces below I. Put my D prime on there. Connect that. C is 2 below D. B is 1 over. B prime. And connect it to A prime. Last thing, I'm going to write all my coordinates in. So A is -2, -3. Going to B, -2, -8. C, -3, -8. D, -3, -6. E, -9, -6. F, -9, -3. G is -8, -3. H, -8, -4. I is -3, -4. And j, -3, -3. That was some serious transformations right there. Southwest 212, over and out.